Hello, welcome to the School of Creativity. I am Preksha Baid from first year, Bachelor of Design, Rishihood University. Well, this is our floor and I would proudly say this is the most unique floor in the whole university, the most creative floor, and you will get to see so many different things over here that you've hardly ever seen before. We have different courses like fashion, we have graphics, we have communication, we are introducing a new course called immersive design. We think differently. You can see a lot of things around here. If you have never been to Rishihood University, do come and visit this floor at least. This is my batch, the first year of School of Creativity, and I would like to introduce everyone. This is Athar and Ritika. They are working on a stool. Then we have Soham, Chelsea, Kamini and Monish. Our assignment for this week is to create a stool. So we're making stools out of wood and we're using only hand tools. We are doing 3 different stools in 3 groups, a group of 2, 2 and 3. And I think it's coming out really well. Everyone has very interesting ideas. So the stool that we're working on is specified, which has only 3 legs. Let's go and talk to everyone and see what are they working on. Hi Chelsea.
Hello.
So what are you doing right now?
I am basically grinding it a bit.
You grinding it?
Yes.
Okay. Anything you want to...
I'm using chisel.
And how does it feel to do this?
It's very interesting.
It's interesting?
Yes.
It's nice. Tired yet?
Very. I want to take a break.
Okay.
But we have to.
Okay, Monish. What are we doing over here?
I am making cavity over here.
Okay.
That I can fix this triangle in it.
And this is the leg of the stool, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like a room. So we are making to stable it here, and we will keep a chair, stool seat on it.
Okay. Anything interesting that you want to talk about your chair?
About my team, teammates, Kamini, driving one part of our chair.
Okay.
And here's Preksha, who is working with us.
Hi guys.
Hey,
How are you feeling right now?
we are just about to complete this, but I guess there's a little fault. We just need to change a little bit of it, but we'll work on it.
And Ritika, how are you feeling?
Confused at the moment because somehow we missed a little bit of it up, and we were sure just a few moments ago that it was all ready to be put together, and now we're finding a few faults in it.
So do you think you'll be completed?
Yeah, it'll definitely be completed today.
We need to complete it today because we have some other things to do.
We've all been delaying it for so long already.
It's a nice experience to work on wood for the first time for every one of us. We're using different tools like saws and chisels and machines. We're grinding things, we're cutting things, we're getting our hands cut. I don't think I'll ever have this experience ever again in my life, but I'm enjoying and I'm living the moment right now.